Welcome to MahjCon 2023. I'm Debbie Barnett, and today we're hosting the main event of MahjCon. Today's event consists of educational, interactive workshops. We also have lots of exhibitors, so shopping was a lot of fun. In addition, we have a silent auction for Alzheimer's, where we hope to raise lots of money for a good cause. We have over 100 people at today's events, and we are also giving away an automatic Mahjong table to one lucky winner. In addition, we are doing a 50-50 raffle for Alzheimer's. Running the MahjCon tournament today. Always here, always dependable and reliable, with big smiles on their faces. And this is our tournament at day 2 of MahjCon. Everybody's playing and having fun. If you're a Mahjong enthusiast, please consider joining us next year. To learn more about MahjCon and all of our events, visit our website at mahjcon.com. I hope to see you at an event soon.